Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Fitness Begins at Home. This is Ahmed Sheikh. Yet again I've come up with one more fantastic video. Now as I've been uploading various videos related to push-ups, I've just uploaded the video related to Superman push-up, which is of course a very difficult one to perform, and each and every day as you practice it, you'll become perfect and you'll become master in it. Please do practice it guys. So moving on to different type of push-up, which is not as difficult as the Superman push-up, but of course it's again works on your increasing the endurance level. Like all my exercises works on increasing the endurance level, the agility level. So this also works on that. This is the Hannibal push-up and the Typewriter push-up. Now what exactly Hannibal push-up is? Hannibal push-up works in coordination with your hands and legs, and your entire body comes into force, and it effectively works on increasing your agility level. It helps in your fat loss, and of course it increases the flexibility in your body and works on your core muscles, your upper body, and how it needs to be performed. First of all, you need to perfect the basic push-up. The basic push-up, again I'm revising in my video. Down. So this was basic push-up guys. You have to go deep down, up. Now Hannibal push-up, how it needs to be performed. You have to take the push-up form, go down, bring your toes down, toes down. Smoothly you need to perform. No banging on the toes. See how smoothly I am moving my toes up. So you can perform 15, if you get expert you can perform 20, perform in 2 or 3 sets, included in different work form of exercises you perform, the upper body exercise, different upper body exercises which you perform, you can include this in that. Now similarly, we will do the Typewriter push-up. Now how exactly Typewriter push-up need to be performed? We all know the stereotype typewriter which we see in olden movies, or we see in the courtroom in the movies, like the lawyer says something, statement that the judge passed, he types on the typewriter, it just slides on the paper, move up, again it comes down, slide on the paper, move. Look at the form of my hand, goes, come down, slide on the paper. So similarly you have to slide on the floor but without touching the floor, then move up, because of course typewriter touches the paper. Slide on the floor, move up, like this. It's very nice form, provided you perform it perfectly. So you don't make a mess of it. Of course, if you perform it perfectly, it looks quite great. Take the difference of 3 palm length, go to basic push-up form, up, slide down, up. Slide down the floor, up. So this was Typewriter push-up guys. Increase your the level guys, push your level. Doesn't mean that you're working out at home, so you need not push your level, do not move out of the comfort zone. You have to move out of your comfort zone guys. If you move out of your comfort level guys, then only the body will give result. Try challenging yourself. For me, fitness is like challenging myself. I get self-motivation if I perform new things, if I learn new things every day. So self-motivate yourself by performing these types of athletic moves, the athletic push-ups. It will release high amount of endorphin, feel-good feeling in your body. And you'll always stay self-motivated, and not only that, it will increase the agility, the flexibility level, the stamina level in your body, and of course the strength in your body. and it will give great result on your body. So fitness at home and also can be challenging, guys, if you perform these type of push-up, guys. And for more videos like this, for more challenging workout at home, please do stay connected with my channel, guys, and please do subscribe to it. Share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and on the bell notification button down there, so that whatever video I upload, you get notified on your cell phone, and you get to view such explosive workout, and you can challenge yourself to do these workouts. And if you have any complaint, any query regarding my videos, please write in the comment box, and please give your feedback regarding my videos. Take care, guys. God bless you all. Please do perform whatever I am performing in these videos. Love you all. Take care.